Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to Frank's Garage. In today's video, I'm going to be giving this YZ250 a complete makeover. I'm going to be trying to make it look as crispy and fresh as possible. I got some parts here in the mail for it. And yeah, let's see what I can do with it. So, I got my tank shrouds. I got a front fender for it. I got a new number plate. And I got a rear fender. And I got a new set of graphics. This is how this bike looks before the makeover. So I'm gonna go ahead and start by getting the bike butt naked, bro. Damn, dude, had no screws in this thing, boy. Fender off. Alright, so check it out. I got most of these plastics off now, so I'm gonna go ahead and try to start putting them on now as we speak. So I got the new fender, new rear fender. Got this new guy here, this guy right here, this guy right here. Should go. Ew, this thing's gonna look fresh, bro.
You got a friend in me.
One of these little anchor baskets that I got off of a bolt kit that I have there, and that should suffice. Alright, so next we're going to go ahead and stick the right side tank shroud on the bike.
Buzz Lightyear to the rescue!
Install this guy here. We'll go ahead and put this left side shroud on. Should be. Okay, so this is where things get interesting. I got some pretty ghetto shit going on here. I wanted to put this new style fender. I had one of these things laying around, so I figured that I'd go ahead and try to utilize it on this 250, but it didn't bolt up, so I'll put some holes through it, and I'm really hoping that it's gonna work. Hey, whatever, man. If it works, it works. If not, I still got that other fender there, which is still in good condition. What I'm gonna do is if you see in here, I could run a bolt and nut through there, so that's what I'm gonna do. Hopefully look a lot better, but
Oh. Alright, so there it is, all booted up with plastics.
Graphics, yeah buddy. Okay, so now you line it up exactly how you want it. A seat cover, so let's go. Okay, so first things first, we gotta remove the old seat cover, and we gotta remove these little brackets, so I like to remove them. Check it out. Oh. I recently started installing these on all the bikes that I get, and they are super simple to install and take off, and they look sweet, so let's hit it, baby. Pull them off and cut them sometimes, but that is how you install these ODI grips.